Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for data management software, you're in the right place. We're having a look at Confluence and SharePoint from Microsoft. We want to know which one of these applications are actually better for your unique use case. So let's check them out. We're jumping into Confluence now, and Confluence centralizes all of your team's knowledge and project information. It removes info silos and it keeps everyone updated with best practices and key resources. This streamlined access improves collaboration and enables smart decisions. Also, it has collaborative editing. This is real-time teamwork. So multiple users can actually edit the same document simultaneously without any conflicts. It offers immediate feedback, enabling fast content creation and quick revisions, and you can easily revert to previous document versions. It also offers customizable templates, so your project plans, you can have pre-instructed layouts to organize your tasks efficiency. It offers consistent formats to capture discussions and decisions, and it offers templates that ensure clarity and uniformity across all of your content and your team. Having a look at some of the integrations that it offers, you can integrate the software with pretty much anything to do any other type of business workflow. So anything from Jira, Trello for project tracking. It also integrates with Slack, Google Workspace for streamlined communication, and it's a cross-functional workflow, which is fantastic. It minimizes switching between apps, and that can waste time, and you can end up losing data in between. Another fantastic product by Microsoft SharePoint. So Microsoft SharePoint has AI-driven content management. So SharePoint's 2025 AI automates document creation, tagging for better organization all in all. This really does reduce that manual workload, and it speeds up your content delivery. Your team can focus on impactful work, which improves your overall efficiency across your platform. SharePoint agents and knowledge experts. So AI agents provide precise answers by deeply analyzing large document collections. Users can create specialized agents for focused knowledge areas. Also, teams access key information quickly, boosting decisions and productivity all in all. You get flexible sections for dynamic pages. So you can resize freely, you get a responsive design, and it looks professional. You can move and resize your web parts freely to fit content and layout needs. You also have flexible sections that adapt gracefully to all device screens for better UX. And also you can create intuitive, stylish pages without rigid column restrictions. There we go. Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many tools out there and they have so many features. The takeaway really should be to go and use every one of these tools and see what actually works for you, for your business, for your organization, and your personal needs. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.